Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be trying to squeeze some of these massive 380mm discs under the standard 19-inch FK2 wheels. So it's the first time I've seen this car. We'll have a quick look around. We can see that the customer's already been through some different sorts of brake setups. Speaking to the customer beforehand, he's tried numerous sets of pads and just had various levels of fade or brake issues on his track days. This is a pure track day car for the customer. So again, having a look around, he's already got a half cage in the back. If you guys come and have a look around the back here. So in a quick look under the bonnet, the customer's already told us that he's got a few basic bolt-ons. He's got his Venturi, he's got an air-tech intercooler with a big boost pipe kit, and the car's running around 400 horsepower. But obviously the brakes now combined with the Nitron is really going to help exploit the handling of this platform when the customer's out on track. So we've got an oil change service to do on this car at the same time, so let's get on the ramp and we'll get started. So straight away with the wheel off, we can already see some of the symptoms left behind from hard track days. Now the Brembo logo's gone brown, the paint's discoloured, the lacquer's started to come off, and I'm sure when we get the pads out, all the internal seals will all be burnt up and crispy. Now this is, like I say, quite common. We had this exactly the same on the last FK that we put the same brake setup on. Hard track use, it really takes its toll on these Brembo calipers. Remember, if you haven't seen that already, go back and check out the FK video. Similar sort of setup as what's going on to this car. So the pads we're going to be using on this car are the Frodo VS 2500s. Unfortunately, we lost audio here. We've just finished up on the brakes and about to move on to some body strengthening. This is going to be in the form of a Cusco front lower brace, and that's going to be paired with a Summit Racing front upper brace. So of course we were going to get the brakes underneath the 19-inch wheels. We've already done so on 18-inch wheels in our last video, so if you haven't already, go back and check that one out. As the car was with us today having an engine oil change, the customers also requested that we do a gearbox oil change. So that's been carried out along with the upgrade of the QT shifter bushes, all to aid that precise gear change that the customer's looking for on track. Obviously the customer's already spent good money on the Nitron coilovers, he's just got the AP brakes with the roll cage, all of that sort of combining, again with the 400 horsepower, this is going to be a really capable car on track. If you enjoyed the content from us today and you want to see more, please leave us a comment below and hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. We'll see you on the next one.